Your Mustang Mach-E is equipped with the latest technology to give you the best possible ownership experience. As a matter of fact, your vehicle allows you to set up your phone as a virtual key, eliminating the need to carry a key, while allowing you to lock and unlock the doors, start your vehicle, and so much more via your smartphone and the FordPass app. Let me explain. First, you'll need to download the FordPass app from your smartphone's app store. If you already have a FordPass account, simply log in. Otherwise, you'll need to set up an account and create a PIN. You'll see the Add Vehicle screen, and when your vehicle information is found, connect to your vehicle by pressing Get Started. Once your phone loads this screen, press Activate Vehicle. Now, from your parked vehicle, follow the prompt on the touchscreen and press Yes. The mobile app will then verify the connection is valid and remote capabilities are active. At this time, you're able to set up the Phone as a Key feature through the FordPass app on your phone. From the home screen, press Set up Phone as a Key. Next, press Set up Now. Then, input your FordPass password. Then give your virtual key a name like Jason's Phone and press Next. Once completed, you will need to connect to your vehicle's Bluetooth service. To do so, press the Copy and Continue button. Then, paste the code into the Bluetooth pairing request pop-up. A message will appear letting you know Phone as a Key setup is complete. You will also be reminded to set a backup start passcode that allows you to start your vehicle if you're unable to use your phone as a key, which I'll explain now. After you've authorized the Phone as a Key setup, enter your vehicle with your phone and key fob and start it with your foot off the brake. A backup start passcode setup message will appear on the touchscreen, asking if you want to set it now or later. If you choose to, you'll be asked to create a code with a minimum of 8 characters. You can also set a keypad code for keyless entry at this time. Keep in mind, if a backup start passcode has not been set up within 5 startups, you'll need to go into Vehicle Settings and select Setup. Now that setup is complete, whenever you approach your Mustang Mach-E with your phone, the driver's door will automatically unlock. Just press the button and use the E-latch to pull the door open. Once inside, first wait for the startup animation on the touchscreen to finish before pressing the Start-Stop button to start your Mustang Mach-E. Then, shift into drive and go. It's that simple. If by any chance you are unable to start your vehicle using Phone as a Key, do the following. First, fully depress the brake pedal and push the start button. The touchscreen will display the Backup Start Passcode entry screen. Input your backup passcode and press Enter within 30 seconds. You'll then get a message on the touchscreen telling you to start the vehicle. Within 20 seconds, fully depress the brake pedal and push the start button to start your vehicle. An added benefit is a feature called walk-away locking, which can be used with Phone as a Key or your key fob. With this feature enabled, if the ignition is off and you close all the doors, then either walk away or wait outside the vehicle for a few minutes, the doors will automatically lock within a few seconds. One last thing, there's also a feature called Valet Mode. It uses a temporary passcode to allow valet attendants to unlock, start, and drive your vehicle without handing over your phone or key fob. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.